Today, we're breaking down Terraform. It's a super powerful tool for managing your infrastructure with code.
So here's what we're going to cover. We'll hit the core concepts, then see it all in action. It all starts with this big idea. Treat your infrastructure just like you treat your software, with code.
And Terraform? Well, it's one of the most popular tools out there that makes this all possible. Okay, so how does it actually work? Let's dive into the main building blocks of Terraform.
First step, providers. Think of them like translators. They let Terraform talk to clouds like AWS or Azure. So this little block of code? It just tells Terraform we're using AWS in the US East region.
Next are resources. This is the what you're building, like a server or a database. And here, your code is literally the blueprint for a server, down to its size and image. Okay, the state file. This is basically Terraform's brain. It remembers everything it built for you. This file is absolutely crucial. It's how Terraform plans, changes, and lets teams collaborate without chaos. All right, you've got the blueprint. Now, how do you actually build the thing? It's a simple workflow. It's just 4 steps. You init, you plan, you apply, and later you destroy. Simple. Enough talk. Let's see this in action and actually go from a few lines of code to the cloud. First step, Terraform init. This just downloads the right plugins so we can talk to AWS. Next, Terraform plan. Think of this as a dry run. It shows you exactly what's about to happen. And now for the magic, Terraform apply. This is where Terraform actually builds our server on AWS. And there it is. The terminal says complete, and over in AWS, our new server is running.
So what happens when you're done with it all? Well, cleaning up is just as easy.
You just run Terraform destroy, it shows you what it's going to remove, and then it's gone.
And just like that, it's all gone. That's total control over your infrastructure's entire lifecycle.
The big takeaway here is confidence. You can create, change, and destroy infrastructure without the guesswork. So remember, you automate with code, declare what you want, repeat the process, and control everything. So think about it. What tedious, manual tasks in your own projects could you totally automate with this?